Okay, with that out of the way, we have 2x4s that I got from Home Depot.
Listen here. It's not a joke when we say, okay, you know what, like, let's be a sim racer, let's be like all this stuff. I'm trying to get into this industry. So I personalized it a little. People think sim racing costs a lot of money. I'm here to tell you it really does. I am poor, very poor. But I got it. I got it down. Look at it. Oh, hold on, awkward. I mean, come on. Isn't she a beauty? Seriously, a beauty. Actually, this is supposed to okay. We got a little rig going, you know, a little rig. Let's go to the quicks. R9 V2, GSI X29, NRG Innovations, cockpit hand-built, and SimJack UT pedals. So the entire rig is built by 2x4s. Structurally very, absolutely no wiggle on this thing. There's no wiggle on my chair. And if I push this as hard as I can, nothing flexes whatsoever. And that's the beauty of it. It doesn't need to cost $700, $800, $900, $1,000 for a cockpit. You can just build this puppy all by yourself. I mean, it's great. Now let me... This is a proper rig. It's exactly what I need it for. It does the job. I get my fun little fast lap times, yet it didn't really cost me my whole bank account. I just want to explain that this is the purpose, the creativity of human brain, except you built a very high quality, very sturdy, mathematically and physically correct rig. Let's talk about realistically how much it costed me for everything. Let's get to it.
Now listen, it's not really about like I don't even know where I'm trying to get at here, right? But I mean, look. Everything is in front of me, next to me. Listen, I have spent not nearly as much money as anyone would spend on a rig like this. And we'll get to all the prices in just a second. Let me just hop in a quick F1, I don't know, career mode. I don't know. Let's just start with a career mode. I think we're gonna qualify. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do qualifying on Baku. So that should be fun. So what I spend on the whole rig, right? We'll start wheelbase wheel. Both of them I bought for $520. A GSI X29 costs... Oh.
Wow, that was a heck of an impact.
Hold on, I'm gonna cut that part out. No, I'm gonna cut that out. That's embarrassing. A GSI, a brand new GSI X29 costs $675. So steering wheel already worth the whole $520 I paid for. R9 V2 probably costs what, $250, maybe a little more or less, give or take. You know, who knows? But yeah, I got a ridiculous deal for the wheel. Next, pedals. Very important conversation to have here. SimJack UTs. They are one of the most affordable load cell pedals that you can buy, that money can buy, honestly. And they are absolutely worth every single penny. They're very good quality. They feel like solid $500 pedal. They are the best pedals I've ever used, honestly. Maybe besides like the
Force feedback brake pedals that Moza now offers in their new pedals. Those are also $1,000. But these are amazing pedals for the price.
The racing chair I got is a NRG Innovations, just regular chair. Someone was selling on Facebook Marketplace for $250. It was in there like, I don't know, clapped out E46, like 320 Ci or whatever. And I decided, yeah, let's just get off this guy's hands, right?
Monitor, I got a new monitor. This whole quality of what you guys see right now might look funky because I have a very ultra wide screen monitor.
It's just a 34-inch, 144 hertz.
1440p monitor, and I'm very happy with it. I put it on a arm. I clamped it on my desk, put it on an arm so I can swivel from my desk to my setup very comfortably. I love it. It's very useful. Oh gosh.
Now let's get to the most important part. My cockpit costed me $47.20. You heard me correctly, folks. $47.20. Why? I have built everything on my own. The wood itself was $27-ish. Hardware was $20. Paint.
You go to Home Depot, beautiful thing. You go to Home Depot or whatever, probably any hardware store that you're at, you get a bucket of paint and they take it back for free if you only use very little of it, and that's exactly what I've done here.
Fantastic finish as well. It looks beautiful. It's sleek. It's nice. It feels like it's fit in my room nicely. Cannot complain. Q2. So basically what I'm trying to say is that you don't need a ridiculous setup in order to have something you enjoy and have fun with. You know, I have 9 Newton meters of force feedback. I have a fantastic wheel to grip on. I have an amazing cockpit with amazing chair, and I have fantastic pedals. All, by the way, total after I returned my paint, after I returned all the extra hardware and all, was $950 for the monitor, for cockpit, for everything. And that, my friend, is like why I did this whole project to begin with. If you want more updates, or if you want a separate video of the measurements and how I built this whole thing, so you guys can maybe do it too, because it is built very, very nicely, and this is the sturdiest thing. It's like houses are made out of wood, you know. You don't need a sim cockpit to be that sturdy, and even if you do, I sure believe I did that quite well. It's already a second behind, thank you. 142 is good, 142 is good. Anyways, point being, anyways, point being,
So the whole point is, if I can build a cockpit for $47.20, everybody can. And that's where the money savings comes. If you really, really want to do such a thing, you really, really want to get into the hobby, you really want to get into the passion, go for it. Who's stopping you? If you guys do want to see a video of how I built the thing, let me know. I'll make a new video on it. But for now, that is it. That is pretty much, that's pretty much wrapped up. RIP.